So to answer and reject incoming calls with the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones, all you have to do is, while wearing the headphones, when you have an incoming call, just press this multifunction button once. That's going to receive the incoming call. You press it again. You press it twice, it's going to end that call. You can also press twice to reject incoming calls. So it's a quick double press to end or to reject. But then to answer an incoming call, you just press it once. Or if the headphones are on the table like this, putting them on will accept an incoming call. So we have an incoming call like that. So I'm just gonna take my headphones, put them on, and as you can see, it automatically receives that incoming call. Now to end the call, I'm gonna double press that button I just showed you, and that ends that incoming call. So it's really that simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.